wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best spray mops. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the o-cedar Promist is packed with features that help you save both money and take control of your cleaning process. It comes with a microfiber pad that can stand up to over 100 machine washes, and its tank is refillable with your solution of choice. It's got scrubbing bristles woven into the fabric, and the bottle is extremely easy to remove. However, the nozzles tend to fail quickly. At number 9, the 15-inch wide head of the finnkare floor kit ensures a wide coverage area, helping you get through your routine extra quickly. It comes with a trio of microfiber pads that you can wash between uses, which is good for saving you both money and the environment. It's equipped with a rotating head for accessing crevices and a pole that disconnects for storage, but the handle is a bit uncomfortable. Coming in at number 8 on our list. As the biggest name in the game, the Swiffer wetjet is nearly synonymous with this product category. It uses disposable pads that attach easily to its head and a proprietary cleaning solution, and relies on a set of 4 AA batteries to keep its nozzle active. Velcro keeps the pads in place, and it's very convenient for quick cleanups. However, refills are quite expensive. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for spray mops, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Quick Shine multi-surface includes a microfiber pad that's hand washable for easy cleaning and reuse. If you don't feel like putting in the extra effort, it can also be tossed in a washing machine, though that may reduce its lifespan over time. It offers a battery-free operation and assembles in seconds, but the dispenser is prone to clogs. Moving up our list to number 6. From one of the most trusted names in home goods comes the Rubbermaid Reveal, a great choice for homes with a mixture of hardwood, laminate and tile floors. It features a refillable 20-ounce bottle, so you can use your favorite cleaning solution. It's equipped with a front scrubber for tough spots and includes 3 microfiber pads. However, the trigger tends to stick over time. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you're struggling with some tough, grimy spots on your floors, the wide cleaning head of the OXO Good Grips detaches easily to reveal a small scrubber, which should do the job in just a few seconds. Its microfiber cover picks up dust and dirt with ease. It features a step pedal for switching heads and an ergonomic contoured trigger, but it tends to leak when not in use. At number 4, the sleek and futuristic look of the Cedar Creek Professional is indicative of the thought put into its design. Its head is curved upward to allow for a rocking motion when scrubbing and easier gliding along most surfaces, so you can get your cleaning done faster. It features a large trigger that minimizes hand cramps, an ergonomic ball-shaped top grip, and a lifetime warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. In addition to its impressively low price tag, the vorfreude 700ml comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee in case any issues arise, so it's a relatively low-risk option. Its microfiber pad is well suited to dry use as well for picking up dust and lint in a snap. It works well with plain water and produces an even mist. It's got a conveniently large tank for infrequent refills. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for spray mops, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, while the Sangfor 360-degree Professional comes with 5 disposable and 2 reusable microfiber pads, it can also be used with just about any rag or towel, thanks to its clever 4-point attachment system. It's a great choice for any type of finished flooring. It boasts a mid-handle grip for improved control, a durable aluminum construction, and a long 50-inch pole that limits bending. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Rather than dragging a flat pad across the floor in hopes that it'll pick up all the dirt and dust in its path, the bissell spinwave uses a rotating action to scrub as it goes. It features 2 buttons on the handle, one for engaging the spinners and one for spray. It's available as a plug-in or cordless model and includes both soft and stiff pads. It comes with helpful fill guides on the tank. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for spray mops, or simply click beneath this video.